Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram story on WhatsApp. Alright, first of all, you have to open your Instagram and then create your story. And then after you create your story, you can click on this, click on your story. And then click this three dots button on the bottom right corner of your screen. And then choose share. And wait for a moment. And alright, you can choose WhatsApp to share your story to WhatsApp. And then you have to select whether you want to share it to WhatsApp story or to your contacts. And I'll go with WhatsApp story. So click on my status right here. And click this send button. Alright, and then you have to click this button. Okay guys, and that's how we can share Instagram story to WhatsApp. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.